Secret walking mistakes that make seniors weekday by day. Are you a senior feeling frustrated with declining strength and mobility? Do you find yourself struggling with everyday tasks that used to be easy? You're not alone. Many seniors experience this, and often the culprit is hiding in plain sight. Your daily walk. What does poor posture look like when you're walking? Imagine someone slouching, their head hanging low, shoulders rounded forward. They might be staring at the ground, creating a hunch in their upper back. This is more common than you think. Poor posture compresses your spine, restricting your breathing. It weakens your core muscles, which are essential for stability. This seemingly small issue can have a big impact on your overall health. The consequences of poor posture are fatigue, balance issues, and an increased risk of falls. When your body isn't aligned correctly, it has to work harder to maintain balance. This leads to exhaustion and instability. The solution? Stand tall. Engage your core muscles. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Keep your shoulders relaxed and look forward, not down. Practice this consciously until it becomes your natural posture. Improper footwear includes shoes that lack support, cushioning, or simply don't fit well. Think of worn-out sneakers with flattened arches or shoes that are too tight or too loose. These can wreak havoc on your feet and body. Wearing improper footwear can lead to foot pain, ankle instability, and even blisters. Your feet are the foundation of your body, and if they're not properly supported, the rest of your body suffers. Improper footwear alters your gait, leading to muscle imbalances and joint stress. This can cause pain in your knees, hips, and back. It's a chain reaction that starts with your feet. The solution is to invest in supportive, well-fitting shoes with good arch support and cushioning. Consider consulting a podiatrist for personalized recommendations. Look for shoes designed for walking with a stable heel and flexible sole. Arm swing plays a crucial role in walking. It helps with propulsion, engages your core, and improves balance. It's a natural movement that contributes to efficient and comfortable walking. Restricted arm swing looks like keeping your arms stiff at your sides or barely moving them at all. Some people hold their arms tightly or keep them crossed in front of their body. This limits the benefits of arm swing. The consequences of restricted arm swing are slower walking speeds and increased effort. You'll find yourself working harder to walk the same distance. It also reduces core engagement, impacting your stability. The solution is to consciously swing your arms in a natural, rhythmic motion. Keep your elbows bent at a comfortable angle and let your arms swing freely forward and back. This will improve your balance and make walking easier. Many seniors simply don't walk enough. Life gets busy, and it's easy to let your daily walk slip. However, regular walking is essential for maintaining strength and mobility as you age. Regular walking helps maintain muscle mass, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts your mood. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay active and healthy. It also helps maintain bone density. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity walking most days of the week. This doesn't have to be all at once. You can break it up into shorter walks throughout the day. Gradually increase the duration and intensity of your walks as your fitness improves. If you're just starting out, begin with shorter walks and gradually increase the distance and pace. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. Walking primarily works the lower body muscles. While it's great for your legs, it doesn't provide a complete workout for your entire body. This is where strength training comes in. Neglecting upper body and core strength leads to overall weakness and instability. You need a balanced physique to maintain good posture, balance, and overall well-being. A strong core is essential for everyday activities. Beneficial strength training exercises include squats, lunges, and core strengthening exercises like planks and bridges. These exercises can be modified to suit your fitness level. Even simple exercises with light weights can make a big difference. A balanced physique is crucial for overall well-being. Strength training complements walking by strengthening your upper body and core, leading to improved balance, posture, and overall strength. It helps prevent falls and injuries. Let's recap the 5 secret walking mistakes that can make seniors weak. Poor posture, improper footwear, ignoring arm swing, insufficient walking frequency and duration, and neglecting strength training. These seemingly small habits can have a significant impact on your health and mobility. Correcting these mistakes can lead to improved strength, mobility, and overall well-being. By paying attention to your posture, footwear, arm swing, walking frequency, and incorporating strength training, you can transform your daily walk into a powerful tool for health and vitality. Important disclaimer: before starting any new exercise program, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare professional. They can assess your individual needs and provide personalized recommendations. Your doctor can help you create a safe and effective exercise plan. We encourage you to embrace these tips and take each step towards a stronger, healthier life. Remember, it's never too late to improve your health and well-being. Small changes can make a big difference. Now, we want to hear from you. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips for seniors. Leave a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to staying active? We're here to help.